Shares of Finnish telecom maker Nokia tumbled over 22% after cutting its annual profit forecast for 2019 and 2020. This is the steepest decline the stock has suffered since 1991. Nokia's shares losing almost a quarter of their value after it lowered its earnings forecast for this year and next and stopped dividend payments. It reduced its guidance for this year from an operating margin of 9 to 12% to 8.5%. Nokia says that the cuts were primarily due to margin pressure, additional 5G and digitalization investments. Strong earnings too from electric car maker Tesla. Third quarter net profit coming in at 1.86 per share against market expectations for a loss of 42 cents instead. And CEO Elon Musk says that it will roll out a cheaper SUV next year, as well as more self-driving technology to stay ahead of the competition. Tesla has been under pressure to show that it can be consistently profitable. The automaker says that it is confident in exceeding 360,000 deliveries this year, meeting the low end of its targets for the year. Indian software giant Infosys says that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has launched a probe into whistleblower claims that its two top executives acted unethically to inflate revenues. CEO Salil Parikh and CFO Nilanjan Roy, they're accused of engaging in forced revenue recognition from large contracts and not adhering to accounting standards. The Indian tech firm faces a class action lawsuit in the United States federal courts based on the complaints.